Hey. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Club Car Tempo gas. First, you're going to need a 1/2-inch wrench. And you're going to need a T20 torque wrench. A lot of people think it's a Phillips screw or an Allen wrench. It's a T20. Put the T20s back in. I recommend putting the brakes back in because if not, the car flips over or something like that, the battery falls over.
But I told him, man, and now it's kind of what it is, because it really don't. Tell me, go do that.
Put your positive back on. Put your negative back on. Always grab the wire, make sure you can't move. That's it, man. Thank you.